there, I'm Mariana and welcome to Creation Odyssey. So today is going to be just an unboxing video of this giant box I have here from AmiAmi. This is called, I don't know what you would call this, but I have a lot of new stuff and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to be unboxing and going over what's in this box. I'm not actually going to unbox what I'm unboxing. If there's anything in particular that you guys are like, wait, open that box, like we want to see what's in there, please let me know and I will totally do that. I'll do an unboxing of, anything that's requested. So let's go ahead and see what I got from AmiAmi. First up, we have Harry Potter from the series. Very excited for this one. I am a Hufflepuff through and through. Shout out to all my other Hufflepuffs out there. Very excited for these Nendoroids. I got all three. He was delayed last month, so very excited that he still got to make an appearance. If you have seen that Good Smile Company made an announcement that they're going to be doing a Nendoroid doll of Harry Potter, my personal feelings and thoughts are if you can find the Harry Potter Nendoroid still, grab him because then you'll get the faceplates and all the extras. As we have seen with the last couple of Nendoroid dolls, Good Smile isn't doing any extras with them currently. I'm pretty sure if you just get the Nendoroid and then get a doll body, you'll get all the extras. And when they release the Nendoroid doll for Harry Potter, I'm sure they'll probably also release an outfit to go with it. My personal feelings on it, I am going to end up making my dolls their own outfits. So now we have Ron, very excited. He's got his rat. Screaming letter part is like my favorite ever. So all the different faces and everything. I really can't wait to get Ron out of his box. Very excited to have Ron Weasley added to my collection. Next, I am a huge Rilakkuma fan. I love the teddy bear. He's so adorable. I got these sets off of AmiAmi as well. This is going to be for a little themed cafe that I'm planning to do for Rilakkuma. I'm going to actually make everything else myself, so I didn't get any of the little cafe re-ments for Rilakkuma. I also got this little bedroom set. I have a completely bare, have to start from scratch, I do believe it's 1/24th scale dollhouse from Create that I need to put together, and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with it. So I think I'm going to go Rilakkuma, Sanrio, Kawaii, do a bunch of different things in each room. So that's what this set is for, and you guys will be seeing that. I'm not sure if I'll put this on YouTube. Might see pictures of it on Instagram. I might do like a little short, like just, hey, here's what I made video. Haven't really decided yet. But this is the beginnings of a soon coming dollhouse. For this next one, I don't think I went really overboard, but I just bought a whole bunch of Nendoroid doll bodies. Yeah, that's right. I bought all these. I really did it. For my Nendoroid army. I do plan on using all of these dolls for my Nendoroids that I have now and for my future Nendoroids. I was really excited about the doll bodies because I find it very constricting with the traditional Nendoroids. This lets me have the ability to create little outfits for them and do all kinds of fun things, which I will definitely be sharing with you guys. Next, I have a little Cu-Poche Extras. This is for my Sherry doll, who I have named Meadowlark. It's different little faces and expressions and things with the pigtails. I couldn't find the ponytail. The ponytail, I think, has been like sold out, like probably right before I bought this. So something I'm definitely going to be on the hunt for. But for now, she'll look cute in ponytails. I mean, pigtails. Why did I say ponytails? Pigtails. Goodness gracious. So I know what some of you might be thinking. Why would she buy extra Cu-Poche doll bodies and Nendoroid doll bodies? Well, Nendoroids are taller than Cu-Poches, and I am going to be working on a project that I will reveal to you guys probably sometime in July. Very excited for it, but I needed the shorter bodies for 3 of my Nendoroids. Gonna keep a little hush hush about this, but I am super excited to share it with you guys. And lastly, I definitely got the extra hands for the Nendoroid doll bodies. So that's it for my first haul from AmiAmi. Probably my last one. I usually don't do this. Kind of went a little overboard on this. But like I said at the beginning of the video, if anybody is interested in seeing me open anything individually, please leave it in the comments below, and I will definitely do that. If you were hoping for another dollhouse video, I am super duper sorry. They are coming, I promise. I'm working on at least like 2 or 3 different dollhouses right now. So please be patient. For those of you who don't know, we just bought a house recently and my workspace has been varied but jumbled, but we are now starting to make progress on my studio room, and I will be able to do videos more efficiently and consistently soon. Big shout out to my tiny helper, my little boy. Want to say hi? Hi. He was helping me out today and he did a very good job. He wanted to say hi to everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe so you can keep up with all the fabulous doll updates here at Creation Odyssey. See you next time.